In this chapter we will add a new option in the HDA interface. It will help us to choose between the final version of the stairs and the preview version that is generated much faster. And we'll start by adding the null node and rename to preview. We make a copy and rename it in to preview. Next we will connect this node to the geometry of the escalator. And we'll start with handrail. Select poly bevel and node null, we will connect it here. Next, deck base. We will connect all preview nodes before the UV. Because UV generation takes longer, we move to deck base. I will take the geometry for preview from poly bevel. Move to exterior panel, and we go back to group delete node. Next, balustrade. And I will take the geometry for preview from poly bevel. With the rest of the geometry we will repeat the same operations. Return to preview node. And here we will add the node object merge. We are looking for null nodes that we created later. Click Accept. We make a copy of the Object Merge node and select the next null node. Add merge and connect them in two different groups. Copy the mirror node and transform, then connect them to the merge node. Add soften normals. Soft angle 80. Next, we will add the clean node and delete all groups and all attributes. Add the switch node. With it we will change from the preview mode to the final mode. Select Type Properties. Add a toggle parameter and rename it in Preview mode. Add another toggle parameter and rename it in Final version. Next, we will deactivate the Preview mode parameter with the following expression. This parameter will be disabled when its value is equal to 1. Click Apply. Its default value is 1, and we see that it is disabled, and we do not have access to it. Next, we will create a reference link between the final version parameter and the switch node. And we grab from here and pull to the switch. Select Relative Channel Reference. This parameter will be hidden when final version is equal to 1. So as a result, we have Preview mode as predefined, and we can activate the final geometry after we have set all the parameters such as height or length. And let's do a test. It can be seen that in this case the generation takes some time. Now we switch to Preview mode. Here the escalator practically is generated in real time. And after we finish setting the height, we go to the final mode. And at the same time, this chapter has come to end.